Hey there and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the forwarded from name when you're sending messages on Telegram in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll know how to forward any message from a chat or channel without showing who originally sent it. Super useful for keeping things clean or a bit more private, whether you're sharing news, jokes, or anything else. So let's dive right in. And yes, everything I'm about to show you works on both iOS and Android, so don't worry about your device. The magic here is that Telegram actually has a built-in feature to hide that author name, but it's a little bit tucked away. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open up your Telegram app and find the message or messages you want to forward. You can select just one, or if you want to send a bunch at once, just press and hold on a message, then tap on any others you want included. So imagine you're forwarding a list of cool recipes, or maybe some important meeting notes from a group chat. Once you've picked out your messages, look for the forward arrow icon. On some phones it's in the bottom right, on others it's up top. It depends whether you're on Android or iPhone. Give it a tap. Right away, Telegram asks you to pick who you want to send these to. This could be an individual, a group, or even a channel, whatever makes sense for you today. Now here's the key part, and where a lot of people miss this little trick. Before you actually hit that final send button, you'll see a preview window pop up. In this preview, you'll see your message, and usually right next to it or maybe just below the message, there's an options menu. Sometimes it looks like 3 dots, or sometimes it's a little menu bar. Don't skip this extra moment is what gives you full control over how your messages look. Look for the option that says hide name. It might also say forward with author, depending on your language or device settings. Go ahead and tap that to turn it off or uncheck the box. What this does is it removes that forwarded from name label, so your forwarded message won't show who originally sent it. The person or group receiving your forward will just see the message, like it came directly from you. This is perfect if you want to keep things anonymous or simply tidy. Think of it like sending a postcard and covering the return address. Sometimes you just want to focus on the message, not where it came from. Once you're set, just tap the final send arrow, and you're done. The message is delivered just how you want it, without that extra author credit. If this is your first time trying it, don't worry if it takes a couple of moments to find the right toggle. The menu design can look a little different from device to device, so feel free to pause this video and rewind if you need to. And that's all there is to it. Really simple, super effective, and now you know how to control exactly what shows up when you forward things on Telegram. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, drop a comment below. I love helping out. For more easy tech tips and step-by-step guides, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.